How to remove hyperlinks in an Excel spreadsheet. There may be times where information in a cell hyperlinks to another location, for example, an organisational data source. When you click on the cell, it will try to open that data source, and if you don't have access to it, you may want to remove the hyperlink so that data can be selected without an error message. Let's look at how we do this. The easiest way is to simply click on the column, right-click on the data, and choose Remove Hyperlinks. The hyperlinks are now removed, and you can work with your spreadsheet.